exception. They are, well, let's see, this year's was what? What did we have this year by you?
The Toy Factory.
The Toy Factory, yes. Well, some people like that, but we kind of talked amongst ourselves, and some of us felt that we needed to maybe change part of that. So we formed a committee, a subcommittee. I distributed the forms. We met on a regular basis. We had our due dates. And we decided that it needed a little alteration just for a little more excitement. So we are going to present next year's honor orchestra piece. But, are we almost ready? Okay. But it's not entitled The Toy Factory, it's called The Toilet Factory.
Okay.
And I'm sure you are just dying to hear what we've come up with. I know your students now, at the performance, you know, your students did quite well, but they gave us some suggestions by the way they played. So if you listen through here, you'll hear even a little bit of alteration at that point too. Okay.
I hope you guys are done eating.
Okay, yeah.
These two probably.
Okay, I've got it. Somewhere here.
Yeah. Can I get you to move back or stand? Okay. Otherwise, I'll get your dad.
No, I'll sit here.
Oh, wait, this better be good. I can already tell it's going to be good.
Ready?
Oops. Okay, are we ready?
Yep.
Everybody in tune?
I think so.
Okay, we present The Toilet Factory. all this.
No, no.
We decided to give it all to you.
Any party words, Steve?
There you go.
Well, his face is red.
Oh, that's great. Thank you.
Hang on.
Oh, that's great. Thank you.
Hungry for pie?